Hi and welcome to my detailed how-to tutorial video on the Casio A-168. And if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you. Before getting started with the detailed functions, I want to show you what does the timekeeping mode offer. So as you can see, besides the regular timekeeping mode, you have the 24-hour marked over here. That means that the watch is currently showing the time in the 24-hour time format. By pressing the lower right button, you can shuffle between the 12 or 24-hour time format. So since there's no 24 hours written over here, that means that we are in the 12-hour time format. And once you are in the PM region, the PM will be indicated over here. This is a negative style display, so if you are having some troubles reading the display, so am I, but please be considerate. Next up, you have the obviously hours, the minutes, the seconds. Over here you have the date and day of the week written in English language. Pressing the mode button as it's shown on the screen, that's the lower left button, shuffles between the alarm mode. So let's press it. Alarm mode, the stopwatch mode, setting mode, that is the setting the time and date mode, and pressing it again gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode. That would be the basics of this watch. Now let's go to the further and detailed tutorial. Let's see what does the alarm mode offer on this watch. To enter the alarm mode, press the mode button once and we are in the alarm mode. Over here you have the mode indicated over here, and alarm indicator on will be displayed over here, and the hourly time signal will also be displayed over here, but we will get to that later. Over here you have the hours and the minutes value. When the daily alarm is switched on, the alarm sounds for 20 seconds at the preset time each day. When the hourly time signal is switched on, the watch beeps every hour on the hour. How to set the alarm time? In the alarm mode, press the upper left button, that's the light button indicated on the screen. So press it, and the hour digits flash because they are selected. How to change the selection? Well, pressing the same button, I'm shuffling between the digits value. So hours, minutes, and the normal alarm mode. So let's leave it at the flashing of the hours. How to set the value of the alarms? Well, before going to that, previously I said that the alarm indicator will be turned on, and there it is. That's the alarm indicator currently turned on. So in this mode, don't forget we are setting the hour value by pressing this lower button, lower right one. I'm shuffling between the value of the alarm. So I'm gonna leave it at, let's say, 12. So pressing the light button once again, I'm shuffling 2 minutes, and the minutes are flashing. So let's go to the minutes setting. So each press of this button over here shuffles the minutes value. Pressing and holding the button starts fast rotation of the minutes value. Once you let it go, it will stop. So let's say I want to get it back to exactly 0, since this is a factory watch. 56, 59, so they are the zeros. Pressing the light button again, back to the standard alarm mode. I want to set the hour value to 12. Press the light button once, press that button once, press the light button once, and press it once again. The alarm mode is set. The format, or 12 or 24-hour time format of the alarm time, matches the format you selected for the standard timekeeping mode. When setting the alarm using the 12-hour format, take care to set the time correctly as morning or the afternoon mode. So after the alarm is set, simply press the light button, and I've shown you that to enter the standard timekeeping mode, or the alarm mode in this case. How to switch the daily alarm and hourly time signal on. So by pressing this button over here, you can shuffle between turning the both of them on or off. So pressing it once turns the alarm on, pressing it once again turns only the hourly time signal on, pressing it again turns them both on, and that's indicated over here, as you can see. And pressing it once again turns them both off. So those are the basics of the alarm mode on this watch. Using the stopwatch mode on this watch, the stopwatch mode lets you measure the elapsed time, split times, and two finishes. The range of the stopwatch is 59 minutes and 59.99 seconds. So let's get to the stopwatch mode, pressing the mode button once, twice, and we have entered the stopwatch mode. Now let's see what are the watch screen indicators. Over here you have the minutes, the seconds, the 1/100th of a second. Split time indicator would be just above the 1/100th of a seconds, and the mode indicator indicated that the stopwatch mode is turned on is right over there. How to measure the elapsed time? So pressing the start-stop button, you engage the stopwatch, pressing the same button to stop it. So again, this button over here, restart it, stop it, and upper left one, the light button, to reset the value. How to measure the split time? Press the lower right button to start it, light button, so the upper left one, to split it. Split is indicated. Split release, the same button, stop, and upper left one to clear the value. How to measure the split time and first and second place times? Press the start button, light button, split, first runner finishes, start stop button to stop it, second runner finishes and record time of the first runner, light button, split release, record time of the second runner, and same button to clear the value. Those would be the basics of a stopwatch mode on this watch. And we have come to the last part of this detailed how-to tutorial video, and that is setting the time and date. So let's go. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and we have entered the mode of setting the watch. First in a row of settings is setting the seconds, and as you can see, the seconds are flashing. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by pressing the lower right button. As you can see, I just reset that value. Next, press of the upper left, the light button, moves flashing to the hour value, and you can simply press the start stop button to increase or decrease that value. So I'm gonna leave it at 12 o'clock since this is the PM, this is the AM PM turned on. That means that the watch is in the 12-hour time format. So I'm gonna leave it at I don't know what's the time, so it should be 12 AM, I believe. So not PM, but 12 AM. So I'm gonna leave it at 12 AM, sorry, PM. And next press of the light button gets us to flashing of the minutes. Now you can increase or decrease that value by pressing the start stop button, and procedure is very simple. So pressing this button will increase the value of minutes. Next press of the mode button gets us to shuffling the month value. Again, pressing the start button, start stop button, the lower right one will shuffle the month value from 1 to 12. So that is the easy procedure. Next press of the light button moves us to flashing to the date value. Again, from 1 to 31 you can shuffle using this button over here, and pressing the light button once again moves the flashing to month, the day of the week value, and you can shuffle that by pressing this button over here until you get the day of the week that is correct. Once you're done, simply press the like button once again, and we have been back to the beginning. And all of our we have ran through all of our settings. Next step would be to press the mode button, and all of the settings are implemented. And that would be the detailed how-to tutorial video on this watch. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you.